iQ's paneling feature is great for creating custom art or for print jobs that are too big for your print bed. And it's a feature built right into iQ. Here's how to get it done. For this one, we'll simply drag and drop our picture right here into iQ. Open up the job and select your printer. Now, click on the Paneling tab. It defaults to off, and you have two main options. One, you can manually set the panel size, rows, columns, and gap. Or two, which is what we're going to do for this example, click on Panel Template to bring up the panel designer. Across the top, you can see some built-in panel templates. We'll go with the 3-panel diamond. Each panel can be set to whatever size you need by clicking on it, and going here to the media size. We'll do 24 by 36 for the middle, and for the ones on either end, 18 by 24. You can position the panels how you like. You can add them, remove them, and adjust them until they're exactly like you want. So I want our design to be kind of like this. And once you're happy, just click OK, and you'll be able to see how the design will look on the panels. This red box is your image, and the green box is the full size of the panels. You want to make sure your image fills up the entire panel. Once you're happy with it, hit apply. Now go to your printer settings and set your media thickness. Ours is about 7 millimeters. Choose your print quality and hit OK. Now the job will reflect the panels you made. Now all you have to do is drag the job down to the printer. Place your first panel on the bed. Turn on the vacuum to keep the media in place, and hit start. When the first panel is finished, place the media for the next panel, and so on. And when it's all done, you've got a unique piece your customers will love. To learn more about all the ways Xanté can help your business, give us a call today.